Hello, and thanks for watching another video from RepairEngineering.com. In this video, I will demonstrate the use of a helicoil thread repair insert. A helicoil is essentially a spring made of formed stainless steel coil wire. The wire has a diamond-shaped cross-section that become the new threads once the insert is installed in a housing. The insert is provided with a tang that is used to install the insert, as I will demonstrate later. There is a slight notch that is provided to help break off the tang after the insert is installed. Start by determining the size and pitch of the thread being repaired. One way to do that is to measure the thread major diameter of the mating bolt. Then, measure the thread spacing, or pitch, using a thread pitch gauge. You want to look for a good fit between the gauge and the threads of the bolt. Knowing the bolt size and thread pitch, select a repair kit that is appropriate. The thread size and pitch are marked on the body of the tap. This marking of STI indicates screw thread insert. It is not a standard tap size. Notice that the recommended drill size is also marked on the tap. To prepare the housing for installation of the helicoil insert, drill out the old threads in the hole to be repaired using the recommended drill, and cut new threads using the helicoil STI screw thread insert tap. A helicoil is installed using an installation tool or driver. The installation tool has a notch that engages the tang of the helicoil to help thread it into the housing. When repairing coarse pitch threads, simply slide the helicoil onto the driver and rotate the insert so that it contacts the notch. Install the helicoil into the housing by threading the insert into the newly cut threads. Be sure that the end of the installed helicoil is recessed below the flange surface. Once seated to the proper depth, unthread the driver from the insert. At this point, the tang of the insert is still attached. I will demonstrate how that is removed in a moment. When repairing fine pitch threads, a pre-coil housing is needed to help compress the insert threads. To use the pre-coiler, wind the installation tool into the insert, using the threads of the pre-coiler to help compress the helicoil. Then, thread the insert into the housing as before. During this process, allow the pre-coiler to float freely so that the insert is able to follow the threads of the housing during installation. Once the insert is installed to the proper depth, the driver can be removed. To remove the tang of the insert on smaller diameter threads, use a flat bottom punch, hold it square against the tang, and break off the tang using a sharp tap with a hammer. For larger diameter inserts, a pair of needle nose pliers can also be used to twist off the insert tang. After the tang is removed, the thread repair is complete. You should now be able to screw the original bolt into the new threads. For more repair tips and techniques, be sure to visit RepairEngineering.com. Thanks for watching.